Okay, number one, evaluating inverse trig functions for certain ratios. Arcsine of negative root 3 over 2. So the first thing we should do is draw our circle. Here it is. And then remember that the domain of arcsine is, the range goes from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So we're just going to be in this area only. Okay. So then we have to remember so sine is negative in the fourth quadrant, so we're going to have to be down here. That's the only place we could be negative root 3 over 2. And then we have to remember the reference angle for negative root 3 over 2. This is a unit circle value. Sine of pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. But since we're down here in the fourth quadrant, not up here, this would be pi over 3. We're down here at negative pi over 3. Alright, we'll draw a unit circle again for arc cosine. Here's arc cosine. Its range is from 0 to pi, so we're just up here. And then cosine is going to be negative in this quadrant over here. So then we just have to remember what the reference angle is for root 2 over 2. Again, that's a unit circle value. Cosine is root 2 over 2 at pi over 4. So then over here, we're at 4 pi over 4. So then up here, we're going to be 1 less than 4 pi over 4, or 1 pi over 4 less than pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, which is going to put us at 3 pi over 4. Okay, 3 pi over 4 is this quadrant. All right, arctan of root 3. This is a little tougher. Draw our unit circle. Arctan goes from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. You should try to figure out how I'm determining those ranges. It's something we did in class a couple times. So what we need to do is determine where's tangent going to be root 3. So that's where we have sine, that's where we have sine root 3 over 2 cosine 1/2. Because if we have root 3 over 2 over 1/2, okay, and then that's root 3 over 2 times 2 over 1, and then those 2's cancel, right? Then we're just left with root 3. So we need this is sine, that's sine, and this is cosine. Alright, so the reference angle where sine is root 3 over 2 and cosine is 1/2 is at pi over 3. Alright, so that's our final answer, pi over 3. Okay, last one, tangent, inverse of 1. So that happens where sine and cosine are the same thing, which is at pi over 4, they're both root 2 over 2. And because it's positive, we're going to be up in this quadrant again, up here. So our final answer is just pi over 4. And I'll be a little more clear with this. This is because sine of pi over 4 over cosine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2 over root 2 over 2, and then those cancel, so we're just left with 1. Alright, that's it.